Hi professionals, welcome back to the channel. In today we are going to look on the topic of toroidal bend and spinal bend. Let's create a new part. Okay, in engineering group you can see that toroidal bend and spinal bend. Okay, let's start with the toroidal bend. Before activating the command, I will draw some model to explain about it. All dimensions are approximate, so you can also make approximate dimensions for your practice. I will extend around 2000. Okay, then click OK and exit command, and then activate toroidal bend. And in reference tab you have to select the solid body as this geometry, and then in profile selection just click on define. Okay, and then select this surface and then click sketch and make it sketch view. Then I create some sketches like a draw, and then apply some fillet, and then copy the fillet, then click OK. Okay, sorry, before click OK, just to create a coordinate system here. Okay, and then click OK. You can see that the model was bended according to the radius default is given. Okay, you can give around 1500 degree radius or some around as you wish. And then we have a bend axis. To activate the bend axis we need to create some axis. I will just click on the axis. I need to have axis here, here. Then click OK, and then again activate it, and then you can see it the axis was created, and axis was selected, this axis which we was created, and then we have a 360 bend. Okay, you have to select this surface, and for icon number 2 you have to select this surface. Now you can see that it was bent around 360 degree without any gap. Okay, This command was mainly used in tire industries, for example, tire manufacturers and some other rubber industries often use these features. I will delete the commands. Then we will look on the topic of spinal bend. Before activating the spinal bend, I will draw some another example to explain about it. I will make it around 500 and this is 90. Then make it as a symmetric. And then click OK and extrude around 5 mm. Okay. Then click on this top line and again draw a new sketch. And then place some fillet here. Then click OK and then select spinal bend. A reference curve was selected, just to select the geometry for the reference purpose. I think the fillet was very thinner, so that only the failures was occurring. Okay, now you can see that this panel command was activated and created a bend this geometry according to this geometry which we were drawn.